Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
I just put it neutral and I coast up to the first beams. And then I put on the brakes. Now I'm waiting for him. Courtesy, you wait for him to light his top bulbs before you go in 2 bulbs deep.
Okay.
Grab it up, go back into gear, bring my arm up to 1300, and just barely light the second lights. Okay? Third bulb.
Got it. Wiggle around on your frame and shit, you need body mounts as bad as I did. I feel this whole thing, you're going in different directions here, man.
Yeah.
You probably would gain 2/10 by having the car be that much more solid, don't you think?
Well,
I bet it would.
It is on my list of things to do, absolutely.
Yeah, when you go to do it, oh my God, it's easier than what people make it out to be, Mike.
So the air is definitely worse now. It was
not
at 1235, 1234, maybe.
Right.
Thank you. There you go. I don't have my glasses on yet.
1237.
1237. Yeah. What's the speed? 115, 116?
115.01.
Yep. So I wound out first gear just a little too far.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Such is life.
He said, "Nah, that's a nice fucking run."